Hello everyone, this is IND and I will be showing you my giveaway pouch bag. Okay, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this channel. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell so that every time I will be uploading new videos, you will be notified immediately. The first step to make a pouch bag, all we need is a big shot machine like this, so that we can cut this paper over here. As you can see, I have here a die cut machine and this purple die cut. I purchased it from Purple Fashion by Gemma Lobrico. And these papers, I purchased it in Prestige Paper Products, so they are in different colors, different types of papers, and also different thickness. You'll see a lot of scored line here, so all we need is to fold it this way. So I fold this part and the other one, the flap wings, okay, so that we can adhere right away this pouch bag. Okay, by the way, you can also use double-sided tape for adhering this flap part, just to make sure that it's very strong enough not to make an opening when you assemble the pouch bag. I use cord knife to press down to the area that I put glue. You can actually use your finger to press down, okay, in order to make pressure on that part, and then it's ready to fold those remaining scored lines. After folding the sides, now we are going to fold the base of the pouch bag, okay, starting from this area and then the sides, okay, and lastly this part, just press it down carefully and there you have it, okay. And then the sides of the pouch bag, just gently press it to make a foldings like it, and then the cover part of the pouch bag, okay. So it's really easy to do if you have a die like this. And these are the colors that I will be needing for the giveaway, because the theme is Coachella. Okay, for now, let's do the flowers or the flower decorations for the giveaways. So this is the last piece or set of paper flower petals that I will be needing for the giveaways. For each sets, I need 3 different flower petals. So I'm using here my scissor. I'm using the edge of the scissor to make a foldings for each petals. Okay, the last one here. Actually, it's really fun to make this one. Okay, and then afterwards I will use Aleen's liquid glue to adhere the petals. So I'm alternating the petals for each layers and looks like an organic flower. Okay, for this paper flowers that I made, actually I used 4 types of design paper for this. Okay, and then I bend the petals, okay, to make that kind of look. And then I added a sticker gem. I only add more glue so that it will give a strong adhesion. Okay, so I'm done here. So I'm just checking this type of flower. I guess this one is much better. Okay, so this is another color. Okay, I'll just do the same thing, fold all those sides to make a base for my pouch bag. Now that I'm done with all the pouch bags and these flowers, so I set it up, and then I add the double-sided tape for the cover. And then as you can see, I also made a thank you tag. This one is a sticker. I just made it from Canva app. And then I printed it using my Epson L210. By the way, this sticker is a matte sticker. Okay, I'll just put the stickers on each pouch bag, and here it is. This is the final product. I hope that you enjoyed this video and also got inspired with all of this giveaway. Thank you so much, guys.